Good afternoon, and thank you for being here today as we honor the life of an extraordinary woman. Mom was so much more than a mother. She was a mentor and a source of unwavering strength. She taught us what it meant to love unconditionally and to face challenges with courage and grace. Her superpower was her kindness. She always found time to help others, whether it was through a kind word, a thoughtful gesture, or just being there when someone needed help. She made everyone feel valued and cherished, and she had a way of making every moment special, no matter how small. Mom also had an incredible sense of humor. She could make us laugh until we cried, and her joy for life was contagious. She found beauty in everything and taught us to do the same. I know that you are up there with Tatay and the Lord and very happy and smiling and looking down at us. We love you so much. Until we meet again.
Sa pamamagitan ni Kristo na aming Panginoon, sa gabi ng kamatayan, pag-asang sumisilay, ang muli ng pagkabuhay, ang aming kinabukasan. Loob namin ay lumalakas, ngayong aming natitiyak, kamatayan ay lumilipas, hindi ito ang aming wakas. Mga kapatid, bago natin ihatid sa kanyang huling hantungan si Elisa, pag-ukulan natin siya ng huling pamamaalam. Ipahayag natin ang ating pagmamahal sa Kanya. Tanggapin natin ng maluwag sa kalooban na siya ay pumanaw na. Umasa tayo na makikita-kitang muli sa piling ni Jesus, kung saan wala